Good day, I'm Caroline Brown and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, June 18. There's been an overall improvement in the 2014 Grade 6 Achievement Test GSAT results.
On behalf of the Ministry of Education, I commend the army of particularly primary level teachers who dedicated themselves to the task of preparing this cohort of students to sit GSAT. We congratulate all the students also and encourage them to perform to the best of their ability in the high schools where they have been placed.
The minister revealed that there's been a 5% increase in science, 1% in social studies and communication tasks, while the figures for language arts remain unchanged. And come September, Minister Thwaite said 120 mathematics coaches will be deployed to primary schools which recorded a weak performance in the subject. This, the minister said, was in response to the 1% decrease in math scores in this year's exams. Meanwhile, Minister Thwaite said 73% of this year's GSAT entrants have been placed in a school of their choice. 28,883 students of the 39,438 who sat the exams were placed in the school of their choice, resulting in marked decreases in the percentage of students who will attend all-age, primary and junior high, technical or private high schools.
We are pleased to indicate that we have not kept any students beyond grade 6 in the all-age schools, nor have we had to purchase places in private secondary institutions, as has happened in previous years.
The result will save the ministry some $15 million. All primary schools will receive their GSAT results by Thursday evening, according to the Ministry of Education. And the Education Minister remains firm on the dissemination of a master book list to the island schools. Minister Thwaite reasoned that though the master book list will be enforced, provisions have been made to accommodate teachers.
For the teacher who wishes to have a special book for special needs, all they need to do is to apply to us for that. What we do say is that it can't be that book on top of 5 others, on top of the textbooks that we are providing.
The minister was responding to a call for teachers to ignore the master book list prepared by the ministry. Property tax collection has almost doubled over the last fiscal year. A total of $5.83 billion was collected, which translates to 80% of the $7.26 billion target. Local Government and Community Development Minister Noel Arscott made the announcement as he made his presentation in the 2014-2015 sectoral debate. The minister added that the Portmore Municipal Council surpassed its target.
As an incentive, Mr. Speaker, for their success in collection of property taxes, the council was awarded $5 million to be used in the development and improvement of a community project.
Minister Arscott said government would not increase property taxes for this fiscal year, but would instead focus on compliance. Government is moving full speed ahead with its plans to improve the road network by building concrete roads on the island. Local Government and Community Development Minister Noel Arscott said the access road to the Riverton City landfill will be used as a pilot project for concrete roads. The rehabilitation project, which will be managed by the United Nations Office for Project Services, will among other things improve access to the landfill and reduce the operating costs for garbage trucks.
This will be done through a donation of $200 million from the Mesoamerican Fund operated by the Mexican government. We intend to do a further 20 kilometers of concrete roads after the completion of the Riverton pilot.
Minister Arscott said given the high cost of road construction, the government had to assess different road construction technologies while maintaining value for money.
The ministry is endorsing concrete as one of the preferred paving material for roads given its life expectancy, low carrying capacity and competitive price.
Concrete roads are estimated to last for 13 to 30 years, while asphalt roads have a lifespan of 6 to 20 years. Government intends to leverage Norman Manley International Airport's first-place position in the coveted Priority Pass Award to enhance discussions with potential bidders as it seeks to divest the airport. Transport Minister Dr. Omar Davies made the announcement recently during his congratulatory speech to VIP attractions, owners and operators of the prize-winning Club Kingston Lounge. He used the occasion to encourage local investors to maximize on the opportunities now available in the sector.
Too many times our local entrepreneurs argue that this potential investment is too large for anyone. This is an opportunity with the Norman Manley International Airport for, if you are not big enough on your own, to establish a consortium or something whereby you make a credible bid.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Caroline Brown. Thanks for watching.